Hidden in the quiet hills of southern Oklahoma lies a fort that survived frontier chaos, Civil War destruction, and over a century of silence. And this year, it's coming alive again. Fort Washita, once a thriving military post built in 1842, is opening its grounds for a new season of tours, events, and living history. Managed by the Chickasaw Nation, the site now blends museum exhibits, restored structures, and the powerful stories of the Chickasaw and Choctaw people. And when fall arrives, the fort transforms again. Ghost tours reveal chilling stories from the late 1800s, including the haunting tale of Aunt Jane, whose murder still echoes across the grounds. Make a full getaway with stop in nearby Durant, home to the Choctaw Casino and Resort, the Three Valley Museum, Rock House Vineyard, and even the world's largest peanut monument. Fort Washita is free to visit, open to all, and ready to bring history back to life. Step into the past, walk the frontier, and experience Oklahoma's most immersive historic site. Fort Washita, where history still breathes. The sun sets over broken stone, but the echoes of soldiers and nations still whisper through the ruins. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.